Welcome back to Passports. It's Tuesday Travel Tips, and I'm Marlene. I'll show you how to book 'em, buy 'em, explore 'em, try 'em, warnings and watch, and info to go. So basically, this is how can you check your luggage for free. It could possibly happen when you travel in Europe, but I'm not sure. So actually, let me know in the comments if this is typical of European travel or not. If you're taking a carry-on, obviously it only applies to carry-on, but you know you can get a decent sized carry-on. If you carry it all the way up to the gate, at least in America anyway, the flights are always so packed where every flight I have been on for the past like 5 years or more has asked at the gate, hey, if anyone wants to check their luggage, we'll check it for free. We don't have a lot of cabin space, blah, blah, blah. It's as simple as that. So you walk up to the front desk, they check your luggage for you, and all you do is pick it up on the other end. That's kind of a good deal because they're charging like $30 to $40 to check a small bag. And that's a lot of money, especially when in America, if you're taking a $100 or $200 flight, you got to spend 30 or 40 bucks to check a little bag. Yeah, it's kind of sad with all the airlines over the past like 4 or 5 years, how they charge you for every little thing, even checking a carry-on. It's getting a little out of control, but we do it because we love to travel. So anyways, be looking for my merchandise store and have a great week. We'll see you next Tuesday for the next Tuesday travel tip. Hey, check out our merch store with our logo and cool travel designs. All of our clothes are made with 100% cotton or organic cotton, all colors and sizes. Tees, tanks, hoodies, and more, along with accessories like mugs, glasses, cell phone cases, and masks. Please support our channel and get some cool merch. Store link in the description.